and today we're back with another video. And today's video is, we have a mechanical problem. My Kickstarter sticking. So, here's a little example. Not springing back up, like every normal Kickstarter is. So I'm going to guess that my spring is probably snapped. Let's get to it. So guys, before we work on our problem, we need to drain out the coolant and the oil. So these are the tools you need to work on the problem. Ratchets, extension bars, pliers, long no pliers, sockets 13, 12, 10 and 8, and star bit Allen keys. Okay, to make this a bit easier, we took off the brake, the exhaust tension springs. Okay, so let's get to it. So guys, if you want to know how to change your oil on your bike, I have a video of it on my channel. But just a quick one, you need to undo this one, the oil cap, and you need a 13mm socket to undo the drain plug. So I just put my jug under where the oil is going to come out. So now we're going to take off the cap. Okay, I'm going to push it safe. Now we're going to go over the other side of the bike, take out the bolt. So I'm using my extension bar on my 13mm socket to get this out. Should be coming out, guys. Oh wait, it's nearly come out. Wait, my jug where it should. Oh, now it's coming out, guys. Okay, so make sure your jug catches all the oil because you don't want to get messy. So that's good. So now the oil is draining, we're going to take off our radiator cap. Okay, so now that's taken off. The reason why we take the radiator cap off because it makes the coolant run out quicker and easier. Okay, so to do this, you're going to need a T27 starboard Allen key, and you're going to need to take off this bolt by here. Okay, so now I'm going to take it off. Be really careful because it shoots out, so that's why you need a tub by here to catch it all. So guys, oh, it's coming out. Guys, it's all coming out. Okay. Now all the oil and coolant is drained out, we're going to take off your Kickstart. To do this, you're going to need a T25 starboard Allen key. Now that's coming off, we're going to take off our Kickstart. Okay, so after we've done that, we're going to take off our clutch casing by here. And see all these bolts all by here? Because they're all different sizes, when you put them in a pot, you get them all mixed up and you won't know where they put them. So this is why I took a photo of my bike engine, and on where the marks are, when we take off the bolts on there, we're going to put them on each one. So guys, now I've taken off my water pump. When the engine turns, this turns and it pumps water into the cylinder to make the engine cooler. And just a quick one, see these dowels by here? Make sure you don't lose them. So guys, I don't want to bore you from taking out the bolt because it took a long time to take out on the casing by here. So this is what the clutch side of your engine looks like. There's a quick one. There's 3 more dowels by here and 1 there. And make sure you just don't lose them. So just to make it quick and easier, put the bolts on the pictures where we took them out. Like if you have a look, that one's a lot bigger than that one, and that one's a lot bigger than that one. So, as expected, a broken kickstart spring. Snapped at the top. And here's a new kickstart spring. So now we're going to reinstall it. So, if you're wondering why my bike is on this side, it's because it was a lot easier for my dad to get the spring back in, and it's easier to build back the engine. But before you put your bike down, you're going to want to turn off the petrol or it's going to flood your bike. Okay, so under the kickstart gear, there is a washer sized like a 5-pence piece. And there's a bigger washer by here that you're going to put on the Kickstarter gear. So now we're going to put on the idle gear by here. Smooth. Wait, guys. So now we're going to put the Kickstarter cam and by here, and this quick one. See the spring by here? You have to line it up with this marker by here. Wait, guys. Not going on yet. Now it's on. Okay, so see all around here. Every time you take apart your engine, you're going to want to get a new gasket. But you want to be really careful because you don't want it to rip. Okay, so you want to put them on top of the dowels. Okay, so that's done. So guys, I've put my case back on by here. So that means now all the gears are in the right place. And so now we're going to look at our pictogram. I'm going to put the bolts all in the back place. But we don't want to film it because it'll take a long time. So guys, now we've put the exhaust back on and the back brake. And we put the coolant back in. So now we're going to put the oil in. Fresh oil. Okay, so you have to do ATF motorex gear oil. Exact 200 ml. And my dad made me a little funnel. Okay, and we've already put the drain plug in. At the bottom. So, yes, so now we are going to reinstall the Kickstart. Now we reinstalled our Kickstart. We put a little bit of Loctite glue on our bolt so it stays in place. Yes, if our hard work's been paid off. So we done it good. So like, subscribe and hit the bell. And comment if this was helpful for you.